Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a new topic of grammar, subject and predicate. So dear children, let's begin. So in a complete sentence, there are two parts, a subject and a predicate. A subject about whom we are talking. Okay? Like Ram rides a bicycle. So about whom we are talking here? We are talking here about Ram. Okay? So this is called as subject. And what is predicate? Predicate means what we are talking about, what he does or what the subject is doing, about the subject when we are talking about, and what we are talking about the subject, that all comes in predicate. Okay, so predicate contains the verb also. In my next videos, in the coming videos, I am going to discuss about the parts of speech also. So here, what is the subject here? About whom we are talking? About Ram we are talking. So Ram is a subject. And what we are talking about Ram? What he is doing? Whatever we are discussing about the subject, that all comes in predicate. Okay? So subject is Ram and what we are talking, rides a bicycle. So it will be a predicate. I hope you all like the explanation here. So if you are liking my videos, kindly like and subscribe to my channel.